Hi my loves, it's Tanya M and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for returning, for my loyal subscribers, and welcome if you're new to my channel. Stay a while, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so be notified anytime I upload new videos. So today's wig is another human hair sleigh, S&T Luxury. So let me hold it up, S&T Luxury. So S&T hit me up and asked me to do a wig review for them. So I said, sure, why not? Okay. So I will go ahead and put the website, the links to their Facebook and Instagram in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check them out, as well as the link to the wig that I will be reviewing today. Before I get into the wig, I did receive some wig caps, and it comes like, it's just a 2-pack wig cap. I do use darker wig caps, but these are always good. If I run out of my darker wig caps, I can always just add my foundation to them to make them darker. And I got a free pair of lashes. I got a free pair of lashes. They do sell lashes too, and these are really long, so I like these. So let's go ahead and get into the wig. I did receive a 13 by 6 lace front wig. It is in the straight. The style is straight, so there's no curl or anything, and it's 10 inches. So I have really big plans for this unit. The lace is a light brown, so for all my light skin divas, this will be perfect. You don't have to tint it, but for me, I will be tinting it like I usually do. If you want to see how I tint my lace for my complexion, you can always click the link above and it'll show you how I tint my lace with foundation. The hairline is impeccable on this. Look at this. No need to pluck. This is the inside. It comes with the band already in, which is going to be really tight. If you don't like the band, you can always cut it out. It comes with 3 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and it does have adjustable straps. So it has the lace in the back. I always cut that off. I don't really use that. And this is a 13 by 6 lace parting space. So much parting space. So nice. So I will be cutting this into a bob. And I'm going to be dyeing it using box dye. So I did go to Target and got me 2 box dyes. Okay. I got 2 just in case the one wasn't enough. They were like around $6 with tax at Target. It is by Dark and Lovely. And this is in the shade Vivacious Red. So the shade 394. This is how she looks at its brightest, but I am going for the darker, like a darker red. I don't want like a bright color. This is probably gonna be my fall wig, child. I wanted like a nice red, but not too bright. So this is really dark brown. So darkest brown to black. It should come out around that color. So we're gonna. So let me see if I can scoot this out. But okay. So I will be going ahead and cutting this wig into a bob. Okay. It's really nice because it's already layered. So I will be cutting it. I want a really nice short bob, so we're going to go ahead and cut it. Okay guys, so I'm back, and per the instructions, so what I'm going to do is, this is the developer, and this is basically the same thing. You could do this without the box dye. Like you could just buy your own color and then get the 40 volume developer like this, and just put the color in. But I didn't feel like going to the hair store, so I just went ahead and got box dye. That's basically what this color is. You can achieve the color without bleaching by just buying the color and then the developer. That skips the bleaching. It doesn't get to like a bright color. If you wanted to get it, it's like basically if you wanted to get it this color or lighter, you would have to bleach it and then do the color. But if you just want to do a color wash or color without bleach, you would just get the color and then the developer, the 40 volume developer like this, what basically box dye is, and mix it together and apply it to your wig. Okay guys, so the dye took but it didn't take. So it's got a nice like burgundy tint to it, which I kind of don't mind, you know, kind of like that. I think that's more so what I was going for, but a little bit more brighter, but not too bright. You get what I'm saying? But this is really good. Not complaining, not complaining, not complaining. So let me put her on the ruined mannequin head. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. Excuse the air conditioner on the background. Again, it's middle of summer, it's hot. Girl, I'm not about to be up here burning up while I record this video. Anyway, so this is the finished product of the wig. So I went ahead and cut her down. The layers were in the front were kind of already there. I went ahead and like did like a tint, like a rinse color. So it's like a chocolate, like a reddish chocolate brown. It's really pretty. Yeah, I went ahead and laid her, laid and slayed. Okay, tell me what you think in the comment section. This side won't act right, but it's feathered. But I guess the way I wanted it to lay is not laying right. But whatever. We good, poo. We good on this side. This side needs to get together. Anyway, it's a cute little cut, especially for the summer, off your neck. Loving this hair. Anyway, so as far as this hair, the wig was well constructed, nicely machine wefted, or machine sewn wefts, and the hair, even though, like, you know, this color was a little probably too dark for the hair, for it to come out a lighter. I could have got a lighter color, but it did take the color. You just probably can't, I don't know how the lighting is. I'm gonna try to lighten it up, but you can't see, but it is a nice like dark chocolate berry color, like a dark cherry, I guess you can say. It's really nice. And the hair curls nicely. It is straight here, so the curls probably won't stay in that long. I would have to probably recurl it every day, but I used to doing that with other straight hair. The lace is nice. The hairline is plucked nicely. But anyways, tell me what you think down in the comment section below. Did I slay or nay? Is it a slay or nay? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I will link the price and where you can purchase the wig down in the description box below. Also, the box that I use, I'll link that. I'll not link it, but I'll put in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.